Hey, it's John. I just want to make it a real quick video. This is my son's truck, and we had a coolant leak. And right here is this pump right back in there. See if I can get a good image of that. And it had a little tiny hairline crack underneath the aluminum casing of the pump. And so what I did was I pressurized it, and then it just started dripping right out of that little spot right there. And so what I did was bought some of that stop leak stuff that you get at the auto store. It looks all silvery. It's like liquid silver. And I poured that into there, and I ran it for, like the instructions say, about 20 minutes or whatever, and run the heater and stuff like that to heat it up to pump it through there. Now that would be soaking wet right there normally. Now it's nice and dry, and it almost looks like that aluminum stuff kind of becomes a powder, and it just sealed that little micro leak. Now it's totally dry there. I just wanted to point that out. Sorry the video is not perfect, but it's kind of a weird spot. Let's see if I can get a good image there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so you could see it. It's all the way back in there on that. That's aluminum right there.